Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can restore notes in Notability. So this is when you delete something that you don't need, and after you think again and you want back what you deleted, that you forgot something in it. So I will show you today how to do that, how you can restore notes. So let's get straight into it. First, I will delete this one. So I will long press to note and delete it. Yes. Okay. Now what we can do. Here at the top left corner, select this wheel. So this means settings. Click on that. And right here at the bottom, you will see recently deleted. You will see here also the note will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So you have basically a whole month that you change your mind. And if you do, then you just go here to recently deleted in settings and select the note which you want to recover. And after you select this note, just click here the blue button recover. And now we have our note back in notes. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.